cherished viewers, welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mama call about Sandy Home Recipe. Send the kind I will share my video. Remember to subscribe. Now I share. Now I like it. When me a notification bell no. Send me the video be a better on Sabeka. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. The best one say homemade chocolate. Yes, start say what the 100-gram butter ebegu adiemu. Now we see nsu a ehu eso. What the 4 tablespoons powdered sugar and no CV. 4 tablespoons unsweetened cocoa powder. 3 tablespoons milk powder. Now we're sieving it together. All ingredients are written in the description box below. Oko description box na ingredients in our home. Now we see nche okona butter na eden a melt ya. Na we hwie o dry mixture na eden egu mu. We dey egu no mixing it together, but we egu mu little at a time. Please, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video I will post. Ahanu, are you ready? Now the kogu chocolate mode mu. We are not the crochet freezer for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, no. Now I serve it. Me tasty and it tastes really nice. You will love it if you give it a try. Wait me, I am our loved one for this Valentine Day. If much as any kind I will share my video, remember to subscribe. Now I share. Now I like it. When me notification bell no. Send me the video be a better one side then Ebeka. Now this is our homemade chocolate. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.